Skyscrapers causing vertigo. The countdown begins. Let's just go. So hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I can't believe like I'm doing this after such a long time. So today is a very relaxed day and more gone right, so I'm like very much free. So today I just came for like a little day out, a little cafe hopping. I have nothing to do, so let's see how my day goes. It's been a long while that I've vlogged my like last video. It was like many months ago and my project said that I won't be vlogging, but then today I felt like maybe I should just vlog and just put something because it's been like 40 days ago. So yeah, let's. My plan is to go like a cute coffee shop for today, like cafe, and then like just do nothing, just relax, and then a room ke huncha. Also, I was having my exams and then everything like too much was happening. Like June was very hectic for me and it was very difficult. But then now it's finished, so I'm on summer vacations. And my new session start from October. So yeah, till then I'm just like enjoying my time, just relaxing because I've been exhausted. I'm very much tired from everything that like happened between June and July. It's really very hot, like 35 degrees, 40 degrees. I've been struggling a lot with the weather. I just want to go to the mountains. I just want to like kind of go to places like Darjeeling, like my home, but then I can't. So yeah, I'm missing home so much. The weather, the wind, not the wind, but then the rain and everything. Let's just go. Last few days, like I traveled a lot. Like I went to Bologna and then I also went to Venice, which was like so beautiful. But then I just didn't vlog because I was a little bit kind of not in the mood. I just thought in my mind, made my mind that no, I'm not gonna vlog. This road is like very beautiful. So I came to this cafe and now let's try matcha because I've never tried the matcha before, so I'm very much excited for the matcha. I usually like green tea, so maybe I like this one, but then it has a very confusing taste. It tastes like milk with some sugar and some herbs, and I'm not sure if I like this. 7 out of 10. The cafe. It's beautiful. It's my life in Rome. Coming to cute cafes, having matcha bean. So this is what my life looks like. This is like such a beautiful cafe. Maybe like I should have bought a book or maybe my MacBook and then just did something, but then it was unplanned, so I just didn't even come with a book. So I don't know what should I do. There are like many flowers. I've seen many matcha girlies, but I don't think I'm a matcha girly, no. So yeah. Derizaru. And then there are the flowers. Oh my god, so cute and beautiful. This flowers. This is actually my favorite flower. I love this. So your cafe, I know it was worth it because it's so beautiful. Just see, it's so beautiful. Like I never usually visit cafes that are. This was just like top notch. And your same cafe to Florence, the same branch, and then it was like so fancy, so beautiful. It was like very beautiful ambience. This is the another entrance of the cafe, of the cafe. Also a black candle. It's like so beautiful. I mean, like if I had like bought a book or as I said, or maybe laptop, then but then like using only my phone and then sitting, it's like I don't feel good because I feel bored. Or maybe if I had a friend, then I could have like chit chat, but then no. 35 degrees goes over directly sun gets in my head. I feel like, oh my god, because I've like started to like hate this kind of weather, the summers, when usually I actually like summers, but then the heat is just so unbearable. And the June, July month, and it was worse. So there were many cases of like heat stroke because of the people's crowd, because of this heat. Oh my god, too much. This is the most expensive, extravagant area of Rome, not according to me, but then because you're in Piazza Spagna side, it stores the most luxurious brands in the world. So this is like very fancy place, fancy corner of Rome. Yeah. Ayo metro bada, I just want to go to the other part, but then you don't Piazza Spagna metro, so it's like so long, and then it's like such a big metro because they have reconstructed it, so it's like really very big right now. Just like the metro. I don't know how is this vlog going, but then I just wanted to like film a day, and yeah, I'm doing it. There's nothing planned about this day because it's a spontaneous day, so I don't know how is my vlog going, but then I guess I'll upload it. Yeah, you have to walk a lot. It's very confusing on the escalators. Those are like so long. I feel scared. I always get confused to Patna because like, this is Metro A. Maybe I need to go to Metro B.
We kindly ask our customers no deposit.
So now I will reach the door, but one stop, and then I'll just go down.
İstiyorsan böyle gel kucağıma otur gel. Gel kucağıma otur şöyle. O zaman sen bilirsin. Öyle bırakmıyorsun şu an.
One stop, and then I'll just change the metro because I want to go to another place. So yeah, let's go down. I guess I am go to the exit. I just need to find the exit. I just don't want to do the stairs, but then like this is also metro. It's like too hot. I don't know what should I do. This street is very beautiful. I love this street. So I came to one of my favorite church. Like मैले यहाँ पनि पहिला पनि फोटो खिचेको छु अन्त यो चर्च was like a mirror selfie त्यसरी त्यसको लागि यति बेसी लाइन छ. So I'm not sure if I'm going to click or not. But then this church is for free and this is one of my best, like one of the most beautiful churches I've ever seen in Rome. See. Finally, it I went to a place where it's not crowded. Thank God. I can't do it anymore. It's like so hot. It's like too much. And the metro is like 17 minutes away. So yeah. I just kicked it. Indian. I've never seen someone like singing Indian songs. My God, unexpected things. So he was from Ahmedabad, and this is his like full-time profession. So maybe I think to like sing, but it's a different thing I've never seen before. And it felt good, like oh my God. So I'm waiting for my metro.